Let me show you the easy way to create beautiful business directory and classify website within few minutes. You can see this is a beautiful website for restaurants in your area. People can come and search different kind of cuisines here. It looks completely professional, and the best part is you can import the complete website which looks something like this within few minutes. Let me give another example. You can see this is a hotel directory website like Airbnb or booking.com, something like this. You can see all hotels are listed here, and it looks really professional and very, very beautiful. You can see another example, doctor listing website. We can also create a doctor listing website for the doctors in your area, and you can also make money by creating this kind of website. And here is one more very important example. It's a business listing website where you can add multiple kind of directories on single website. It's like Craigslist, which has multiple directories on same website. You can see, you can search for car, doctor, real estate, restaurant, and then you can also have all these categories here. And you can see design is minimal but very effective and very professional. You can see car listing here, real estate listing here, and doctor listing here. And to create this beautiful directory website, you can use the plugin which is called A Directory plugin. This is a sponsored video to show you how useful this plugin is and what kind of website you can create using A Directory plugin. One very strong feature about this plugin is this is a multi-directory plugin. Now, what is multi-directory plugin? Like I just shown you, if you create a classified website, like we saw here, you can create multiple directories here. And it becomes very easy to manage multiple directories. So if you're using A Directory plugin, let me show you an example. If I just go to my backend, for example, you can see I have car repair doctors already here. If I create a new directory here, and then I say start from scratch, I can just give it name. For example, let's say plumber, and then give single name, and then continue. Now what you can do, you can just drag and drop. For example, you can drag tagline, you can drop view count, and you can drop address, or if you want some text field, custom field, you can always click and save changes. And now this is directory for plumber. So this directory will look something like this. But if I want to create directory for car repair and plumber, they might have different kind of fields. For example, you can see there is a design about the cars on this website. It has some different fields. So I can change the different directories based on my requirement. So I can create different design for directories just using drag and drop depending what kind of directory it is, which makes it really easy to manage multiple directories on a classified website. And one very important thing, sometimes people say, okay, when you create this kind of website where you have multiple listing, how you make money from it? I already created a video about it and a lot of people ask me this question. Okay, so this plugin helps you to monetize your website. So with A Directory, you can monetize listing and maximize revenue. You can turn a directory into a revenue engine with paid listing, feature support, and recurring subscription plans. So for example, if somebody comes to your website, they want to submit a listing on your website, or somebody want to claim a existing listing, they can pay for it and they can post their paid listing here. This is how you monetize your directory website or your classified website. You can have a lot of features. You can provide offers, coupon and deals, listing badges. You can have feature of claim listing and also pricing plan for the people who wants to add their listing on your website. Now let's talk about payment integrations. So you can integrate this plugin with Woocommerce. I'm sure you know it is really easy to create e-commerce website using Woocommerce. So you can integrate this plugin with Woocommerce. Not just this, you can have seamless checkout via Stripe, PayPal and local gateways. Also smart currency switcher for global users and support for one-time and recurring payments also. And it also sends automatic payment confirmation to the users so that people know that they paid for it and this is a reliable directory website. While we are talking about integration, you can integrate with all major plugins like Elementor plugin, WooCommerce, MailChimp, One-Click Social plugin, and many payment gateways also. And you can use this directory listing plugin free of cost. It's available on WordPress repository. You can see it's a fairly new plugin. And this plugin comes with very well documentation. You can see there is a complete documentation about this plugin. Not just this, they have premium themes also, like I've shown you example. But if you want to import the complete website like this, like I've shown you an example, this one or this website, or like this website or doctor list website or a classified website, you need to have the premium subscription. It is not really expensive. Here you can see it costs only $39 for 1 year, and you get all premium add-ons, all premium themes like I've shown you, and all upcoming products, lifetime updates and priority support. And this is the Black Friday sale happening. You can get up to 60% discount. And also if you go for lifetime, you're gonna pay only one time for unlimited website, $349, which gives you all these features, all premium add-ons or premium themes, lifetime update, priority support, and also mobile app for one site license. You can have the mobile app. They will help you to set up and submit to Play Store and also on iOS. And also it is 100% risk-free insurance, full refund. If you're not satisfied, you can always claim your refund from here. And if you want that I create a complete step-by-step tutorial that how you can use this plugin and create a full classified website, let me know in the comments. To get 60% off for Black Friday, you can check the link in description. Even if you're watching after Black Friday, you can always check the link in description to get the best discount on this A Directory complete setup. And also provide me feedback if you use this plugin. And in the last few months, I was talking to the team of A Directory plugin, and they're adding a lot of nice features. So I can see the team is very hardworking behind this. Let me know what you think about all this. Please comment below. I try to reply all the comments on this channel. And also check the link in the description to get exclusive deal.